So after I graduated high school, I went to university, and it didn't take me very long to realize that the really big class sizes and the broad subjects were not for me. So I switched to Oulton College, where we have a very small class size, very personable instructors.
I chose Oulton because of the small campus. I came from a small high school outside of Fredericton, and I thoroughly enjoyed my experience in a small high school, so I figured a small post-secondary would be my best option.
I picked Oulton College for its hands-on and its learning, so to be able to have the experience in the classroom, but also to be able to have hands-on outside of the classroom. And that's where we have our hands-on, so we come in and we utilize the skills we learn in the classroom inside of a different setting, so it's like an interpretation of our patients and what we're going to do to provide care for them.
Well, so far the course actually, I was looking at a lot of options for something like this, and all of the rest of the courses were about 2 years long. And as soon as I saw Oulton College is giving out 8 months and a lot of course in that, so I was just like, let's go there.
The opportunities are endless here, actually. I learned so much just by going to some of the events, the Chamber of Commerce, the breakfasts. We even did a event with Spirit Fest. It was amazing.
The best part about the program would probably be the teachers and the students. Every student has their own ideas, and we all collectively work together on those ideas and learn from each other. It's a constant learning battle with computers, with other devices, and everything else.
All the instructors here at Oulton have all different past experiences, which gives us all a wealth of knowledge in the nursing field. Each instructor gives a different touch on what their experience and how they may have navigated the nursing career, and it's very inspiring for us all to have real life examples and knowledge to push us through to get through the program.